G'day, here's a little parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Bit of Koroite type material, bit of matrix, a bit of flat faced boulder. Rules in millimetres and the material's been wetted. First piece, opal's missing out of there, but you can cut it, make a nice pendant. This piece is not a lot of fire, but nice pattern. Standard sort of Koroite material. This piece quite nice. I can see the green fire coming through the matrix here in various spots. Pretty nice large piece, that piece. This piece again is a piece of Koroite material or yawa nut with kernel of colour around here. Little tiny fireflies of colour. Ready to almost polish that piece, just shape it up a little bit more perhaps. Anyway, some good examples there for you to play with. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.